How to add background music to your Shopify store. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Shopify account and then in the admin dashboard you can navigate to your online store in the left side of your screen. You can click on it. After that you can just click edit theme here and then you will be redirected to your website editor. As you can see this is my website editor. And let's say I want to add background music in this page, in the home page. So I can just click add section here and then you can search custom and choose custom liquid. And then you have to add or type the code. We're gonna use Elfsite here. So you can go to elfsite.com and then sign up for an account. After that, you can click explore widgets and then you can scroll and you will find background music here. You can click on it. Then as you can see, you can create a widget for free. So you can click on it. And there are some, template or style. So it's up to you. Maybe you want like this or maybe just like this. It's up to you. So you can choose whatever you want. So let's say I want to add this one. I think it's cool. And then you can just click here and then you can, choose the track. You can edit or remove it. Then you can just click add. And then this is the widget. So this is the preview of the widget. So you can just click publish here. And then you can select the, plan. And now you can just copy the code and then go back to your editor and paste it. And then it will be like this, in the right side of your website and you can customize it as you want. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.